This is Module 5, Lesson 10 Homework, Side 2. Number 3. After his football game, Malik drinks 1/2 a liter of water and 1/3 of a liter of juice. Did Malik drink more water or juice? Draw and estimate to partition. Explain your answer. So I know Malik drinks 1/2 of a liter of water and 1/3 of a liter of juice. I need to decide if he drank more water or juice. I need to draw and partition, and I need to explain. I'm going to first draw the 2 liters of water and juice. I want to make sure that when I'm drawing these, I draw them as close in size as possible so they are easy to compare, like the fraction strips on the front. This is going to be water, and this is going to be juice. Malik drank 1/2 a liter of water, so 1/2 is 2 equal parts. So I will divide my water into 2 equal parts and show that Malik drank 1/2. Next, he drank 1/3 of a liter of juice. When I have thirds, I have 3 equal parts, so I'm carefully going to partition into 3 equal parts, and then I will shade the juice that he drank. When I look at these 2 pictures, I see the water is a bit more full than the 1/3 of the juice. The 1/2 of the water is a bit more than the 1/3 of the juice. So I would say Malik drank more water because 1/2 is greater than 1/3. Number 4. Use the symbols to compare. So the symbols are greater than, less than, or equal. If you need to, flip on the other side of your paper when you're looking at these to think about the fraction strips that are drawn there for you. Letter A, 1/4 and 1/8. When I think about fourth, that is 4 equal parts. When I think about eighths, that is 8 equal parts. If I am partitioning an object into equal parts, 4 equal parts would give me bigger portions than 8 equal parts. So 1/4 is larger than 1/8. So I'm giving fourth 2 dots, the eighth 1 dot, and connecting the dots. So I have 1/4 is greater than 1/8. Letter B, I have 1/7 and 1/5. So I have 7 equal parts in 1/7 and 5 equal parts in 1/5. When I'm partitioning, dividing into fifths will give me more space. So I'm going to give the fifths 2 dots since it's the bigger fraction, and the 7ths 1 dot, connecting the dots. So I have 1/7 is less than 1/5. Letter C, I see 1/8 and 1/8. Those are the same fractions. So 1/8 is equal to 1/8. Letter D, 1/12 and 1/10. When I have 12ths, I have 12 equal parts. In the second fraction, I have 10 equal parts. When I partition, the area that will have the greater amount is the tenths, because when I share with 10 friends, I'm getting more than when I share with 12 friends. So I'm going to give 1/10 2 dots since it's larger, 1/12 1 dot, and connect the dots. So I have 1/12 is less than 1/10. Try E and F on your own. Number 5. Write a word problem about comparing fractions for your friends to solve. Be sure to show the solution so that your friends can check their work. To solve this problem, look back at your problem set and also at number 4 and try to create a problem that is similar to what you did in class today and what you solved on number 4 to compare the fractions. You can also look at some of the pictures that we were created. Some topics that you might want to consider are sharing a pizza or sharing some chocolate and having to partition them into 2 different fractions. So maybe you have a problem where the pizza has to be partitioned into 1/2 and then another part into 1/3, and you can compare those 2 fractions. Perhaps for the chocolate, the first time you break it apart, you did into 1/4, but you forgot that maybe there were 6 friends sharing and you needed to partition into 1/6. Write a problem that your friends can solve and show the answer on number 5.